Wow. Now her hair color looks like some type of sunset, beautiful ombre effect with the red, orange, and yellow. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely breathtaking. Such a gorgeous hairstyle idea. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now, if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be taking a look at some more trendy hairstyle ideas that you can try out this fall and winter season. Here we have this stylist doing a layered haircut. Now, this looks like such a fun way to cut some layers. Definitely a different and unique technique that they used here. And then we have someone with long, wavy hair. Looks like she's going to be doing a color change for this one as well. Ooh, beautiful dark copper tone. Wow. Another gorgeous hair change for the fall season. We're seeing so many different variations of red this year. This is absolutely gorgeous. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now let's get into our next transformation. This one also features a color change. Oh, wow. So she also went copper with this layered Bob's hairstyle. This color looks like pure perfection on her. Amazing. So here we have a variety of different hairstyle ideas that you can play around with this fall season. Pixie hair change here. Color transformation. Beautiful blonde bob style. And even a man's haircut. Wow, look at this purple. So pretty. So here we have another long to short transformation. Looks like she's getting more of like a pixie style here. Now this is a longer pixie variation. These are very popular at the moment as well. Very nice face framing bangs going there in the front. Such a cute hairstyle. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed all of the hairstyles featured within today's video and you were able to gain some inspiration. If you have a chance, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.